Some people may call it a tornado in water. Most hurricanes form the same way. The first step for a hurricane to form is to gather heat and energy through contact with warm ocean waters. Evaporation from the seawater increases their power. Next, a hurricane is mostly known as a tropical cyclone because most form in the southern Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, and in the eastern Pacific Ocean. Almost the same as tornadoes, hurricanes rotate just like tornadoes do. But hurricanes rotate in a counterclockwise direction around an eye. The shape of a hurricane is similar to a cylinder. These hurricanes will not seem dangerous, but they are, because they can cause really bad floods and can kill a lot of people because of how strong they are. What do you think of when you hear the word tornadoes? I think of damage, tons and tons of damage. As well as hurricanes, tornadoes rotate. Tornadoes are funnel-shaped clouds. One thing tornadoes have in common with thunderstorms is tornadoes get power from thunderstorms. Tornadoes are made when warm air and cold air come from two different directions and come together and start to spin. Tornadoes are rising air within the thunderstorm updraft, so it's rotating air from horizontally to vertical. An area of rotation 2 to 6 miles long now extends through much of the storm. Most strong and violent storms form within this area of strong rotation. After all this that I said, you still might not think tornadoes are strong, but they are because they can reach up to 300 miles per hour. This will cause damage to anything they touch. Don't forget, tornadoes are nature's most violent storms. Guess what can happen in every state and people can get killed by? Thunderstorms! Thunderstorms are usually lightning, which people can get killed by, thunder, rain, and really strong winds that can tip things over. Thunderstorms are similar to tornadoes because thunderstorms give power to tornadoes. First, thunderstorms need 3 things to begin with. To begin with, thunderstorms need moisture to form clouds and then it'll rain. Secondly, they need unstable air, relatively warm air that can rise rapidly. The last things thunderstorms need to form is lift fronts, sea breezes, and mountains and hills that are capable of lifting air to help form thunderstorms. You still may not think thunderstorms are strong, but they are. Thunderstorms can reach up to 15 miles in diameter and last an average of 30 minutes. Negative and positive charges have a connection. It makes lightning. Thunder is a sound that accompanies lightning, caused by the explosive effect of the electric discharge. So after it lightnings, it thunders. Now all these violent storms have things in common, but don't forget, take cover when you know one of these violent storms are coming to your town.